Hello everyone, I'm Rachel and I welcome you all to Executive Corner Expert Talks. Today I'm speaking with Theodora Le Souquet. Now Theodora is the Managing Director at Canaria Technologies. Canaria Technologies is a biotech based in Brisbane. They're a market leader in predictive biometric systems, providing wearable safety devices to predict heat stress and to help prevent fatigue. Now here at Kalkine, we bring you industry leaders, successful business owners, market and equity advocates, all under one roof to help you discover the insights of the stock market and help you understand how you can create multiple passive income streams. Welcome today, Theodora. Very happy to speak with you today.
Thank you, Rachel. Great to be here.
Now, firstly, it's such a fascinating company that you have there. Could you please explain in more detail about the devices that you have and how important they are in various industries?
Absolutely. So we have a wearable device. It's the fifth iteration of that device. It's called the Canaria-V. It sits behind the ear and measures transmissive pulse plasmography, which is PPG. So just like in the operating theaters, off the finger, we do it behind the ear. And we are currently working extensively in the mining sector to assist people with cognitive fatigue and heat stress incidents and assist them to make sure that they are protected before they have an incident.
Now, you mentioned the mining sector there, and you've partnered with Rio Tinto to roll out your predictive biometric technology as part of an international pilot program. Now, this must be very exciting for you. What does this mean for Canaria?
So our partnership with Rio Tinto has a new set a new benchmark for safety in the resources sector around the world. Not only will it allow us to test multiple locations based on different climates, but also encourages the adoption of technology for other companies in the mining and resources sector. Typically, mining companies continue to get caught up in innovation excitement bandwagon without defining a clear strategy, vision, and roadmap as to where they want to go with that technology. With this agreement, we have the perfect opportunity to ensure our technology can be deployed and assist across the entire mining supply chain, offering safety enhancements that may never have been offered previously.
It's such a forward-moving company. Now, in your opinion, how well do you believe safety and technology perform together in potentially life-threatening situations?
Well, technology is the perfect partner for safety. In normal or life-threatening situations, direct analysis of a worker's physiology and their immediate environment provide insights that no previous generation of technology could offer. And technology has evolved quickly in the past decade, and safety measures have lagged behind. That's where Canaria Technologies is filling the gap, bringing the latest algorithms in biometric signal processing and environmental analysis to heavy industries like nothing ever seen before. When life-threatening situations arise due to common issues like cognitive fatigue and heat stress, the old safety technologies of handrails and generic work-rest ratios cannot cover everyone in the diverse workforce that we're working with now, leaving us in a really great position to pave the way for safety and technology to be the future.
And technology is changing so rapidly. Would you be able to shed some light for us on any recent innovations that have advanced the subject of predictive biometrics, say over the last few years?
That's actually a really good question, Rachel. The exciting thing about Canary is that we essentially are paving the way in predictive biometrics. We're working towards proactive solutions where other companies are working more towards reactive solutions, allowing for the opportunity to eliminate safety risks altogether. So because it's such a young field, it's really hard to think of companies that have come before us.
Now let's just take a step back and let's talk about your device, Canaria-V, a little bit more. Why do you believe it's optimum?
Canaria utilizes what's known as transmissive PPG or pulse plasmography, which is the technology currently used in intensive care units to monitor patients' vital signs, like I was saying before. The approach applies light spectrums, infrared, red, and green, shown through the skin to a photosensor on the other side of the appendage, such as a finger, in our case, an earlobe. This allows for minimal light interference, which enables greater accuracy. This method increases fidelity in the data collected because different light spectrums are absorbed by the skin in different ways. For example, the current technology used in smartwatches sits around 27% inaccuracy because they've got a green reflective PPG, whereas the Canaria-V is less than 1% inaccurate and works on all skin tones.
And it just sounds so very futuristic. Now, lastly, Theodora, how far do you believe the mining industry has come in terms of advancement in technologies? And what do you see for the future?
Well, the future is exciting for mining, especially considering the adoption rate of enhanced technology across the sector. Although mining has been lagging through the previous years, the anticipation of our technology is bringing to the resources sector a complete shift in the thought process around technology and safety. To advance resources in mining, I think there needs to be a holistic approach focusing on sustainability and social responsibility, ESG. We're really excited to be part of the journey that's allowing mining to become safer and more technologically advanced.
It just seems to be such an exciting space to be in. Thank you so much for your time today, Theodora.
Thank you, Rachel. Have a great day.
Thank you, you too. And with that, I will sign off for today. But watch this space for more. Till then, stay apprised and invest wise with Kalkine.